get me some grub. Grubby, grubby, grub, grub. Mmm, that looks tasty.
Ah, my trusty shovel.
Made with 100% real beef. Fancy.
All right, time to clean up your duty. Hey, where'd he go? Oh, guess I'll clean it myself.
Something tastes a little funky.
My stomach is begging me for some food. I'll have to sleep to forget about my other needs.
Hey, Mrs. Boggo's mom. Is Boggo here?
You must be famished. You.
It is hard to run uphill.
I don't think I should have eaten so much spaghetti.
I mean, just look at you three. You're perfect. The Make-A-Friend machine worked wonders. I'm so lucky I get to be your father. Oh, I know what that noise means. Somebody must be hungry.
Oh, I'm so hungry. I knew I should have eaten lunch. I think I'm feeling faint. Being as...
I'm locked in the bathroom. Oh, I'll be safe here. My stomach. Oh, I gotta use the shark room.
Snack time! I've been waiting for this feast. So good.
Whoa, we can fly! Right.
Amazing! Oh, still hungry, Simon?
You gotta calm down.
Calm down.
Oh, you're hungry? Take this.
Professor's chili sure is rumbly in my tumbly.
They only ever stopped when they needed to feed.
Hunger, stop hogging the food!
Helga, you're such a bad liar.
Bummer. And my gut says he's telling the truth. Oh, now it's saying something weird is going on over there.
What's wrong?
Of course.
That's what we was waiting for.
I'm sorry, you're gonna have to keep... I think I'll take those snacks now. Too late, already gave them to Gina. Who keep making these noises? Okay, well, it must have stopped. Okay, well, everybody get back to work. Well, I guess that says it. All in favor to kick out Gina?
Aye, sir.
Yeah.
Aye.
All right, then. Now, stay calm as I grab your legs. It wasn't me.
Don't you lie to me! I knew it was you! Who are you talking to like that? Oh, are you getting smoked with me? Oh, I think you are. Oh, I'm not playing these games. Okay, so now it's finished. Now y'all can finish y'all test with no distractions. Look, y'all only got 20 minutes left in class. Just get y'all test done. For me, please. For yourselves.